How to create a calendar in Monday.com. So the first step is by opening your web browser such as your Chrome. And then go to Monday.com and simply sign in with your account. Once you have done that, choose the board that you want to have the calendar in. So go to that board, wait for it to load, and make sure to have this date included in every task. So now what you're going to do is that you may now see this um, text right here, which has this month, next month. You may also add new group and change the name to next 2 months. Also, if you want it to be organized, so you may type in the month instead. So for example, we are now in March, so type in March, and then now you may type in April right here, and then May right here. In order for you to manage it properly, you may change the date that you want. So right here, you have the date, click on it, and choose the date that you want. For example, this one, change the date, and right here. For April, you may click or add project first. So let's just type in example. And then add the date. So you may click on this button right here. So it will turn into April. Choose the date. And again, do the same steps on other months. So you have right here the task. Type in the date. So again, now we are in May. Click on this button until you reach May. Choose the date, and then there you go. So that's it. That's how you can create a calendar on Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.